Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, since my first attempt of making sesame balls or butchi turned out to be amazingly delicious, now I am challenged to make another one, but I'm using a different filling, which is a sweet potato. And guess what? It was unbelievably delicious. So I want to share this recipe with you guys so you can try it too. And since I still have sweet potato candies, which I have made from last time, I decided to use it for this recipe. And never would I have imagined that it would turn out the best, guys. So for the ingredients and how to make the sweet potato filling, I will put the link below in the description box, as well as our recipe for exact ingredients for our dough. And guys, making this dough is so fun to do, and I guarantee you will have fun too. So I try making a dough ball using without using any measurement, and I found out that it's kind of too big, but I still want to show you how I do it. Flatten it like this, and it's quite too big, so I decided to use a measurement for it, which is a tablespoon. So a tablespoon of dough ball would be good enough for the filling, and it is for me, it's like the right size for sesame balls. And I use 1.5 teaspoons for this sweet potato filling. To any of you who has trouble in closing the dough, just add a little water around it and it will seal just like this, and then you round it and it would make into a perfect round ball. And so for the sesame to stick outside the dough really good, you just have to kind of wet it with water and roll it like this and round it a little bit. It will stick to the dough. And here is our final product. Gorgeous, isn't it, guys? Look at the sesame that's outside the ball. It is quite perfect. Look, that is so good. So don't forget to like this video, guys, if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends and family so they could try it too. And see you on my next one, guys. Have fun and take care. Bye.